up here in the back, and today I got the Fire TV Alexa voice remote with TV controls. This is the 3rd generation. I'm gonna unbox it, talk about the specs. So let's get it started. Alright, so the Fire TV, this is pretty much it. Am I missing anything else? Here's some of the specs. Press and hold voice button and ask Alexa to find, launch, and control content, or even switch to cable control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receiver with dedicated power and volume buttons. Access your guide content with Covenant apps and guide buttons. Just ask Alexa, use Alexa voice remote with your compatible Fire TV device to search for and enjoy thousands of movies, TV shows, apps, and games. Go beyond streaming, view sports, scores, check the weather, play music, see your live camera feeds, and more. And what's included? Alexa voice remote, 3rd generation, 2 AAA batteries, works with Fire Sticks Lite, Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, Fire TV Stick 4K, and Fire TV Cube 2nd gen. All right, now so let's unbox it. All right, if you guys don't know, the big seller of this remote is the AAA batteries, because those are really hard to come by these days. Nah, I'm playing with y'all. Nah, but I think it's pretty obvious what the big seller was with this. With this one, you have a dedicated Alexa button. Also, you got an official Prime button, Netflix button, Disney button, and Hulu button, just to take you straight at Prime Video. If you have Prime Video and you like to dibble and dabble between the two, there you go. Netflix, everyone knows about Netflix. Remember the hashtag Netflix and chill? I don't think we do that anymore. I don't think that's cool. And if you got Netflix and chill shirt, burn it. Disney Plus is amazing. You pretty much have most of the Disney shows, Star Wars, and then lastly Hulu. Hulu has definitely stepped up over the years. I think Hulu has overtaken Netflix as the primary #1 streaming. I know I'm on Hulu heavy now. I used to kind of side-eye Hulu, like, I don't know, Netflix got that name, but Hulu has really came through. I can watch it all night and fall asleep. I don't have to worry about having a black screen when I wake up and being scared and, not know what's going on. All right, and lastly, let's get into the guidebook. So you got the power button, microphone right here, voice button, aka Alexa button. You got the select ring, then you have a navigation. You got the back button, home button, menu button right here, rewind, pause and play, forward. You have a mute button. You got the volume button. You have a guide button, and then you have your app buttons right here. This generation Fire TV is 50% more powerful than the 2nd generation Alexa voice remote with power and volume buttons. Less clutter, more control. Alexa voice remote lets you use your voice to search and launch shows across apps. All new preset buttons get you to your favorite apps quickly, plus control power and volume on your TV and soundbar with a single remote. It has a low power mode. To reduce its energy consumption, its device will enter low power mode when it goes to sleep. Great, because my controller will be on all night and I'm trying to watch Power or Snowfall, and I'm trying to figure out why my controller's dead when I haven't been on the TV, most of the time. Great. All right, guys, this is Devin Up. What do you guys think about this remote? They made it more simpler. Great. They made it more clutter. Great. I'm not gonna lie, at this point, the only thing that I require from Amazon at this point is to have an attachment, and that attachment is a little keyboard that I can type in a lot faster, because I'm tired of doing this. And after that, you hear all this. End of the day, throw them threes up for your boy. Yes, you newbie, throw them threes up. Yes, 1, 2, 3, throw them threes up for your boy, and that is me. I got goals today, you got goals today. Your goal today was to watch this video, learn about that, and it is complete. Good job. And my goal was to help you out. All right, guys, thank you. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.